日さあなたの名前は何ですか？または怖いですか？怖いのか？さよならを言わないでくれることはありません。
Nothing is worth the risk, 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 nothing is worth the risk.
Pedimos ayuda para localizar a Selene Delgado López, de 18 años, se extravió el 22 de abril en la delegación Álvaro Obregón. Selene Delgado López se ignora su paradero desde el 28 de mayo del año 2000.
Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba da da ba 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 da ba.
Hello, this is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I know how to beatbox with a little bit of yeah.
What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world.
I'm killing you. I'm killing you. I don't care about anything else. My programming is just get that guy right now. It doesn't, there is no like, oh, he's running? I'll back off a little. No, it's just...
Criminal, criminal, criminal,
Criminal,
criminal,
criminal,
criminal,
criminal, criminal.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?